The content library is home to all of your video and image uploads. Videos and images can be uploaded from any of our apps or directly from your device by clicking this upload button. From here, you can view your video uploads and search, preview, manage, and organize all of your content. You can locate your content from any content page using search and filters. Just enter keywords into the search box, or select a filter based on upload date, visibility, or creator. You can also navigate your content using the left sidebar menu. Click here to view your videos and image uploads. You can also access quizzes if your plan has that feature. Under Organize, you can create folders and subfolders to catalog your videos and images. Channels enable you to showcase your content for views. You can group and arrange related images and videos to share with your audience. Videos and images you delete are placed in the trash. If you accidentally delete something, you have 30 days to restore it. Your content can be displayed in either a grid or table view using this button. Each content item, folder, and channel is represented with a thumbnail and metadata. For example, this icon represents the visibility of the video for your viewers. You will also see the title, date of upload, view count, video duration, and this icon when the video has been added to a channel. Hover over the video and click these buttons to play the video, copy the link, open the link, or go to the video details. Clicking this More Options icon enables you to access sharing options, visit and change the folder location for the video, view information about the content, or delete the video. If you have access to quizzing and analytics, you can also access those features here. You can also click and hold this bar to drag and drop your video into a folder, channel, or the trash. If you'd like to manage more than one item at a time, you can multi-select by clicking this checkbox on each thumbnail. When you select content, a footer is displayed at the bottom of the page with options for moving your selections to a folder or a channel, changing the visibility setting for them, or moving them to the trash. You can also use the Select All checkbox to select all content on the current page. When you hover over a thumbnail and click Details, Video Details opens, displaying rich editing features. While working on one of these pages, you can minimize the navigation menu by clicking this button. Click again to expand the menu. The menu will also expand automatically when you drag content over it. Use this menu to select the publishing options for your video. You can unpublish the video if it was previously published. Set the video's visibility, schedule publish and expiration dates for the video, and determine whether you want to allow members of your audience to comment on the video. Click the Share button to quickly copy a video link and view other sharing options. If you have a free plan, clicking the Analytics button will simply display a view count for the video. If your plan includes advanced analytics, clicking this button brings you to the Content Trends page for your video. This page contains rich data that includes information about how much, when, and where viewers engage with your content. Check out our video analytics tutorial for more information. If you are a member of a team plan, click the Users button to share the video with other members of your team by adding them here. Use the More button to view additional options. From here, you can download an MP4 of your video, send your video to our video editor, duplicate it, replace the video while maintaining all of your existing metadata, or delete it. On the Video Details tab, you can add a video summary and upload a captions file. If you have a solo max business or a team business plan, you also have access to our AI feature. Use the AI button on Video Details to generate a title and summary for your video, as well as chapters and captions. From the Share Video tab, you can copy the direct link for your video, or add a custom link with a familiar name for better discovery and search engine optimization. Here you can customize the player options and viewer actions for the video. You can also configure an embed code to use on web pages. Embed codes include customization for embed size, video options, and viewer actions. From the Interaction Tools tab, you can configure call to action buttons and annotation links if your plan includes that feature. And if your plan includes quizzing, you can also create a new quiz from this tab or edit an existing quiz for this video. If your plan includes player branding, click the player branding icon and switch the toggle to on. From here, you can change the video player color, upload a logo that will be displayed on your video, and select the position of the logo. To add a custom thumbnail to the video, click this icon. The thumbnail is displayed before your video begins playing and can be any image you choose to represent your video. Just click the Upload button, choose an image from your computer, and click Save. Customize and share your content with ease with ScreenPal.